Hello and welcome, dear explorers. Today, we're embarking on a virtual journey to the heart of Central Asia, Afghanistan. Nestled between Iran, Pakistan, and a handful of other nations, Afghanistan is a country of breathtaking contrasts. It's a land where the formidable peaks of the Hindu Kush range give way to the lush, fertile valleys of the north, and further still, to the stark, arid beauty of the South's deserts. Afghanistan's landscape is as diverse as its history is rich, with a cultural tapestry woven from threads of Persian, Greek, Mongol, and various Central Asian influences. This nation, a cradle of civilizations, has been shaped by the rise and fall of empires, the passage of traders along the Silk Road, and the enduring resilience of its people. Now, prepare to feast your eyes on some of the most captivating landscapes that Afghanistan has to offer. Our first stop is the breathtaking Hindu Kush mountain range. This colossal natural wonder stretches over 800 kilometers through Afghanistan, forming a majestic barrier between the plateaus of Central Asia and the fertile plains of the Indian subcontinent. Imagine towering peaks that touch the heavens, their summits cloaked in a perpetual blanket of snow. These titans of stone and ice stand tall and proud, their rugged faces etched by the passage of time and the unyielding elements. They are silent sentinels watching over a land that is as harsh as it is beautiful. Now picture the valleys nestled between these peaks. They are a stark contrast to the icy heights, lush and verdant, brimming with life. From the delicate wildflowers that add splashes of color to the landscape, to the stately cedar trees that stand like sentinels, the Hindu Kush is a testament to the power of life and resilience. And let's not forget the wildlife that calls this rugged terrain home. From the elusive snow leopard, a master of stealth and survival, to the soaring golden eagle, king of the skies, the Hindu Kush is a paradise for the intrepid nature lover. But the Hindu Kush is more than just a feast for the eyes, it's a place of history and culture, where ancient trade routes once crisscrossed, carrying goods, ideas, and people from far and wide. It's a place of legends and stories where every peak and valley has a tale to tell, a memory to share. The Hindu Kush is not just a mountain range, it's a world unto itself, a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature and the indomitable spirit of life. It's a place that invites you to pause, to wonder, and to discover. Whether you're an avid mountaineer, a wildlife enthusiast, or simply a lover of nature's grandeur, the Hindu Kush offers a journey like no other. It's an adventure that beckons you to explore, to learn, and to be humbled by the sheer scale and beauty of the natural world. The Hindu Kush, truly a testament to nature's grandeur. Next, we venture into the pristine beauty of Band-e-Amir National Park. Here in the heart of Afghanistan, you'll find a collection of 6 stunning turquoise lakes, each one cradled in the embrace of rugged cliffs and blessed with an ethereal beauty that seems to belong to another world. These lakes are the crowning jewels of Band-e-Amir, each one a vibrant splash of color against the austere backdrop of the surrounding cliffs. But it's not just their vibrant hues that make these lakes so special. Each lake is separated by natural dams made of travertine, a form of limestone deposited by mineral springs. These travertine barriers, which grow ever so slowly over the years, create a stunning visual spectacle that is as unique as it is beautiful. But Band-e-Amir is not just a feast for the eyes. As Afghanistan's first national park, established in 2009, it plays an important role in preserving the country's diverse wildlife. From the ibex that scale its cliffs to the wolves that roam its valleys, Band-e-Amir is a haven for a wide array of animals. And let's not forget the birds. With over 160 species, including the rare Afghan snowfinch, the park is a birdwatcher's paradise. Yet, perhaps what makes Band-e-Amir truly special is its resilience. Despite the challenges, this national park remains a testament to Afghanistan's enduring natural beauty. It's a place that invites you to lose yourself in its tranquil lakes, to marvel at its towering cliffs, and to discover the rich tapestry of life that thrives within its borders. And while we've only scratched the surface of what Band-e-Amir has to offer, it's clear that this national park is more than just a collection of lakes and cliffs. It's a symbol of Afghanistan's natural splendor, a gem amidst the rugged beauty of this fascinating country. Band-e-Amir National Park, a gem amidst Afghanistan's rugged beauty. From natural wonders, we move to a city steeped in history, Herat. This city in western Afghanistan is a treasure trove of architectural marvels, each one a testament to the rich cultural tapestry of the region. One such marvel is the Herat Citadel, also known as the Citadel of Alexander. This ancient fortress, standing tall amidst the city, is believed to be originally built by Alexander the Great and later rebuilt many times over the centuries. It's an imposing structure, its high walls and towers a silent witness to the passage of time and the unfolding of history. But the architectural splendor of Herat doesn't end there. The Grand Friday Mosque, also known as the Herat Mosque, is another must-see. It's one of the oldest mosques in the country and one of the largest in Afghanistan. With its intricate tile work, grand arches, and towering minarets, the mosque is a stunning representation of Islamic architecture. The mosque is still a place of worship, but it's also a living museum, home to centuries of art and craftsmanship. Beyond its historic architecture, Herat is also rich in cultural heritage. It's been a center of art and literature for centuries. The city has been home to many great poets, scholars, and artists, and their influence can be seen and felt throughout the city. Even today, Herat is known for its vibrant art scene. From traditional music and dance to pottery and carpet weaving, in its streets, bazaars, and historic buildings, Herat's history comes alive. It's a city that wears its past proudly, a place where every corner tells a story. From the grandeur of its architecture to the richness of its culture, Herat is a city that captivates, intrigues, and inspires. It's a city that invites you to explore, to learn, and to be a part of its continuing story. Herat, a city where history comes alive. Last but not least, let's explore the unspoiled beauty of the Panjshir Valley. Nestled in the heart of Afghanistan, the Panjshir Valley is a haven of tranquility and natural splendor. As we journey through this majestic landscape, one cannot help but marvel at the lush greenery that stretches as far as the eye can see. A place where every curve of the land tells a story, every whisper of the wind carries a song, and every ray of the sun paints a masterpiece. The lifeblood of the valley, the Panjshir River, courses through the valley's heart, carving its path through the verdant landscape. Its crystalline waters, sparkling under the sun, weave a mesmerizing tapestry of light and shadow. It's not just a river, but a lifeline, nurturing the land and its inhabitants, providing sustenance, and creating a harmonious symphony with nature. Sprinkled across this verdant canvas are picturesque villages, each one a treasure trove of culture and tradition. These hamlets, with their unique charm and warm, welcoming inhabitants, are a testament to the resilient spirit of the Afghan people. Here, time seems to slow down, as if to let one soak in the simple pleasures of life. But the Panjshir Valley is not just a feast for the eyes, it's a place deeply rooted in Afghan history and culture. Stories of bravery and resilience echo through the valley, each tale as captivating as the landscape itself. It's a place where history and nature intertwine, creating a tapestry that's as rich and diverse as the country itself. As we traverse through the Panjshir Valley, we realize that it's not just about the breathtaking vistas or the Serene River, it's about the spirit of the land and its people, their stories, their struggles, their triumphs. It's about understanding and appreciating a culture that's been shaped by both the harshness and the bounty of nature. Panjshir Valley, a testament to Afghanistan's enduring spirit and charm. And there you have it, a glimpse into the scenic splendor of Afghanistan. We've journeyed through the majestic peaks of the Hindu Kush, basked in the serene beauty of Bandi Amir National Park, explored the historic city of Herat, and admired the unspoiled beauty of the Panjshir Valley. Each of these unique locations contributes to the rich tapestry that is Afghanistan's landscape, and we hope you've enjoyed this journey as much as we have. The world is full of remarkable destinations waiting to be discovered, and we're excited to take you along on our future trips. We're curious though, is there a particular corner of the world you're interested in? We'd love to hear your suggestions. If you enjoyed this journey, do like and subscribe. Your support helps our channel grow. Until next time, keep exploring.